Vaseline, a prepper staple, offers tons of practical uses beyond its traditional roles. From lubricating mechanical parts to serving as a fire starter, its versatility knows few bounds. But before we get started, let me give you a couple tips. I always look in the dollar bin at my local grocery store. A lot of times they'll have smaller jars of Vaseline there. And these smaller jars are perfect for bug out bags and also for using in some of the items I outline in this video. And the next time you drive by or make a stop at your dollar store, check the shelves for Vaseline or the bargain brand of petroleum jelly. I can usually find it there at a lot better price. All right, now that I've given you a couple of money-saving tips, let's check out all these reasons why you should be stocking up on Vaseline or petroleum jelly. Let's go ahead and get the most common uses out of the way first. Vaseline-soaked cotton balls or pads can serve as effective fire starters because the petroleum jelly enhances burn time and ignitability, making them ideal for emergency kits or outdoor excursions. Apply a small amount of Vaseline to soothe and protect chapped lips, providing relief from dryness and preventing further irritation. All right, now let's talk about some of the dozens of other uses for Vaseline. In harsh weather conditions, Vaseline can be applied as a moisturizer to combat dry, chapped skin. It is especially beneficial because Vaseline forms a protective barrier that helps trap moisture, allowing the skin to heal. Additionally, you can also use Vaseline to create a protective barrier on minor wounds to keep out dirt and bacteria in emergencies. This can help prevent infections and promote faster healing of the wound. Protect those leather shoes or boots from moisture by applying a small amount of Vaseline. Not only does this protect the leather from water damage, it also helps to maintain the suppleness of the material over time. Soothe sunburned skin and retain moisture with a light application of Vaseline. The occlusive nature of Vaseline helps to lock in moisture, providing relief to sunburned skin and preventing it from drying out further. Ease stubborn hose ends with a touch of Vaseline on the threads. This not only helps to lubricate the threads for easier assembly, it also creates a waterproof seal to prevent leaks. Rub a little Vaseline on areas prone to blistering to reduce friction during long walks. This super simple trick can help prevent painful blisters, allowing you to stay comfortable on your feet for longer periods. Prevent corrosion and prolong the life of unused batteries by coating their ends with Vaseline. By creating a barrier between the metal and air, Vaseline helps to prevent oxidation and corrosion of the battery terminals. If you're in a cold climate and you have chickens, protect their feet and crowns from frostbite by applying Vaseline. This helps to insulate and protect their skin from the cold, preventing that frostbite and potential injuries. Create candles using Vaseline as the base and a simple wick. This DIY candle making method is not only cost effective, but it also allows you to customize the size and shape of your candles. Apply Vaseline on exposed skin to repel insects, even though it might feel a little bit icky and uncomfortable. The thick consistency of Vaseline makes it difficult for insects to land on and bite exposed skin, providing a natural barrier against pests. Capture flying insects by spreading Vaseline on surfaces where they gather. This sticky trap is effective at catching flying insects without the use of any harmful chemicals. Fix broken candle wicks by dipping cotton strings in Vaseline and wax. This helps to strengthen the wick and prevent it from breaking off prematurely, ensuring a longer-lasting candle. Substitute Vaseline for diaper cream to protect against diaper rash. Vaseline forms a protective barrier on the skin, preventing moisture from irritating sensitive areas and promoting healing. Shield your hands from harsh chemicals by coating them with Vaseline. It creates a protective layer that helps to prevent skin irritation and even chemical burns. Prevent skin irritation by applying Vaseline to areas prone to chafing. The lubricating properties of Vaseline help to reduce friction between the skin and clothing, preventing chafing and discomfort. Secure Band-Aids and keep water and dirt out by applying Vaseline around the edges. It creates a waterproof seal that helps to keep the Band-Aid in place, even in wet or dirty conditions. Protect that tender skin on your nose from irritation due to colds or allergies with Vaseline. Applying a thin layer of Vaseline to the nostrils helps to moisturize and soothe dry skin. If you have to wear a particular clothing item that tends to rub your skin wrong, add a layer of Vaseline to the area just like you would for a blister. This helps to reduce friction between the fabric and skin, preventing irritation and discomfort. Keep bike chains moving smoothly with a touch of Vaseline. Applying Vaseline to the chain helps to lubricate the moving parts, reducing friction and extending the life of the chain. Deter ants and aphids by applying Vaseline to the trunks of fruit trees. This creates a barrier that insects are unable to cross, effectively preventing them from reaching the fruit. Rub Vaseline on rusty screws to help loosen them, also preventing future rusting. The lubricating properties of Vaseline help to break down rust and corrosion, making it easier to loosen stubborn screws. Enhance the seal on containers by adding a layer of Vaseline around the lid. This helps to create a tighter seal, keeping out moisture and air and prolonging the shelf life of stored items. Create a makeshift candle holder by lining the inside of a container with Vaseline. This allows you to securely hold candles in place without the need for specialized candle holders. Prevent injury to your dog's paws in extreme climates by applying Vaseline. The protective layer created by Vaseline helps to prevent cracks and chafing, keeping your dog's paws healthy and comfortable. If you've got a zipper that's stuck, try a little Vaseline to get things moving again. The lubricating properties of Vaseline help to loosen stuck zippers, making them easier to open and close. Spread a little Vaseline on window sills and door jambs to prevent bugs from crawling through cracks. It creates a barrier that insects are unable to cross, effectively keeping them out of your house. Apply Vaseline to cracked heels to soften and promote healing. In addition to cracked heels, Vaseline can also be applied to dry elbows, knees, and other rough patches of skin to provide relief and hydration. And you can utilize Vaseline as makeup remover, shaving cream, or hair gel. The versatility of Vaseline extends beyond practical uses, making it a valuable addition to your beauty routine. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline to metal tools to prevent rust and corrosion, especially in humid environments or when storing tools for extended periods. This helps to keep them in good working condition and prolong their lifespan, and it's a great alternative to WD-40. Use Vaseline to protect your garden tools from rust and corrosion by applying a light coating to the metal surfaces. This is especially useful for gardening tools that are exposed to moisture or soil. Coat your fishing hooks and lures with Vaseline to prevent them from rusting and improve their durability. Additionally, applying Vaseline to fishing reel mechanisms can help keep them operating smoothly and prevent corrosion. Apply Vaseline to zippers, snaps, and any other metal fasteners on outdoor gear like backpacks, tents, and jackets to prevent them from sticking or seizing up due to rust or debris buildup. Use Vaseline as a lubricant when working on DIY projects involving metal components, like assembling furniture or repairing household appliances. It can help to ease the assembly process and prevent damage to delicate parts. Before storing outdoor equipment for the season, like lawnmowers or snowblowers, apply a thin layer of Vaseline to metal surfaces to protect them from rust and corrosion caused by exposure to moisture and harsh weather conditions. Use Vaseline to lubricate door hinges, latches, and locks on vehicles to prevent them from sticking or freezing in cold weather. Additionally, applying Vaseline to rubber seals around the car doors and windows can help to keep them pliable and prevent cracking. Apply a small amount of Vaseline to saw blades and other cutting tools to reduce friction and prevent them from binding during use. This can help to prolong the life of the tools and ensure smoother, more precise cuts. While Vaseline offers numerous benefits, it is not recommended for lubricating firearms due to potential issues. Remember, quality doesn't always come with a high price tag. Dollar store Vaseline can be just as effective. There you have it. Lots of uses for Vaseline you may not have known about. Let me know your thoughts in the comments because you know I want to hear from you.